So I'm going to show you how to sign in to YouTube on your Vitron Smart TV using your phone. So simply go and launch the YouTube app. Now, if it's the first time, it might take you to the Play Store where you need to install the app. But for me, since I already have installed it, here's how you can sign in. So once you launch the YouTube app, you will see that QR code, and also you're going to see the option to sign in with your remote. So if you want to type in the Gmail address and password with the remote, you can select that option. You can also choose to add a YouTube Kids profile on the main YouTube app. Now for me, I'm going to sign in with the phone because that's the tutorial we have here. So just grab your phone, open up the camera and scan that QR code. So that's going to open up the YouTube app, and then you're going to see this screen. Now on this screen, it's going to ask you if you want to sign in with this account that's on the phone. And once you select sign in as your YouTube account name, it's going to ask you to confirm if this code matches that code you can see on the TV right there at the bottom. If it matches, just hit continue and choose the channel. If you have multiple channels, you can choose the channel you want to sign in with and you're good to go. So tap on allow, and it says you're now signed in on your TV. So anytime now, you will see that screen change automatically, and it's going to sign you in with the same account that's on your phone. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.